I just gave up. I was like, I don't think this is for me.
Going from 12 months, getting no results, and then 12 weeks, we're getting results.
And monetized. Literally the first video I posted, being gone from YouTube for a year, got 22,000 views.
Sheesh. What kind of advice though would you give to that person just starting out? So tell me like what your YouTube channel is about.
So I post fashion content and a little bit of lifestyle. Fashion is my passion. So I try to incorporate my boutique into my channel so that I can attract new customers and build my personal brand.
Tell me like when you started the Content Academy, how many subscribers you have.
All right, so it's September right
Yes.
now. I joined in July. Actually, July 1st might have been our first session. When I started, I had 1,500 subscribers, and now I am at 6,901 subscribers.
Sheesh, I'm so excited. You have a few videos just doing really well. And I'd love to know kind of your thoughts on why do you think those videos are doing well? Maybe what did you do differently? Like some of the things you've learned.
All right, well, basically when our first session in class, you talked about how to package your video. And I realized that...
Can you explain packaging though? How would you describe it? If someone doesn't know what that word is.
The razzle dazzle of it all. It's just the thumbnail and the title for your video and doing the proper research. And then just looking around to get ideas to make sure that your thumbnail is like on point. So that was the very first thing that I did. I was like, let me just put this thing in a different perspective and work backwards, reverse, and think about my thumbnail and my title first.
Yeah.
And that really worked. Literally the first video I posted, being gone from YouTube for a year and coming back to not coming back, but joining the Content Academy. That first session, taking in everything you said, I posted the first video and it got 22,000 views.
Sheesh.
Never gotten that in in any video in that short amount of time. It usually takes years to get that many views.
And what you did is before that, your process for making videos was the way I tell people not to do it. So what did it look like? How did you make your videos like in order before joining?
So before I would shoot the video, I would kind of think about the video, the main content, but I would shoot it. And then afterwards, I'd be like, oh, dang, I need a thumbnail. And I got to figure out the title. And they were an afterthought. And that's why those videos tanked.
You do that. Your first video does really well.
Yes.
You have another video that pops off.
Yes.
Is there anything else that you would add that maybe you thought really helped those videos do well? Like, did you do your thumbnails different? Did you title things a little bit differently?
I did the thumbnails a little bit differently. Maybe the wording was bigger, but mostly it was the wording on the thumbnails. Trying to resonate with my audience.
That is key because it's all about resonating with people and it's all about speaking to the things that they really want, the things that they're thinking but not saying out loud. It's really like marketing and psychology and really just like understanding people. And so one of the things I try to like really hone in on is the more we understand like who's watching our stuff and what they want, the better we can portray the videos to them and come up with ideas and titles and thumbnails. What kind of advice though would you give to someone who maybe they have like a business or they're just trying to grow their personal brand and they want to get more views on YouTube? Like, what kind of advice, I guess, would you give to that person just starting out, the beginner?
The beginner needs to sign up for the Content Academy. That's number one.
Sponsored by the Content. We have another salesperson. I paid her to say. No, I didn't pay her to say that.
Keep going is number two. And then I think be intentional. The biggest one, be intentional about your content. I think before I started the Content Academy, I was just scrambling around. I had this niche of fashion, but I didn't hone in on exactly what I was posting because that's important because that can encompass so many different things. So you really helped me think about more thoroughly what I'm posting, why, who I'm posting it for, and just being more intentional and not just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping that it sticks.
I mean, you stopped for a period of time. Why? I'm just curious, like, why did you stop? Was it you didn't have time for it, or was it just kind of like were you burnt out, or?
The truth is, I lost faith.
You didn't think it could work anymore?
No. I just gave up. I was like, I don't think this is for me. It's been a dream for so long. But at this time period, I just kind of just posting things. You know, you get busy, you're not consistent, you drop off. And then at this time period, before I quit, I was giving it a full 12 months. I said, I'm going to do this, I'm going to be consistent. And I was. And it just didn't work. And so I thought, I just need to give it up.
Going from 12 months, getting no results, and then 12 weeks, we're getting results.
And
which is amazing. And monetized.
I got monetized off of one video.
Wow. Yeah, I think, you know, if it's not working, yes, keep going, but you have to do the right things. Part of that is learning from your mistakes and like really trying to understand, why are people not clicking my videos? Why are they not, like, we looked at some of your videos today, and I'm like, what if we change the intros a little bit more? And like, learning is actually, you know, changing something and looking at it, and rather than just getting the same results for a year straight and then just giving up. But it's hard because a lot of people, they lose that faith that it's possible. Do you see it's possible now? Or tell me about that.
Have to take a deep breath on that one. Literally last night, how can I say this? Like, literally when I film videos, it's like this, it's like a roller coaster ride. Like, you get to the top, you film, you post, boom, it tanks. And it's like this sinking feeling. Now I feel like I'm just going to be on that roller coaster, and it's just going to go up and up and up. And I just don't feel like it's going to go down. I feel super confident right now.
If you ever think this isn't working, just know that I'm saying, like, keep going. It's going to get there, because YouTube it's a learning curve. And so it's like fast growth, and then it slows down a little bit, and there's a little dip, and then it's another huge jump. Like, it's like this.
Peaks and valleys.
I'm so excited for you. I'm so glad that like we met.
And you're so great.
Thank you.
Just want people to know that. There's a lot of people on YouTube that have these courses, and you're just there. But I don't know. You literally, when I decided like to stalk you on Instagram about joining the Content Academy, I was like, this is my last go around. And that's it. Your spirit was like talking to me. And I was like, yeah, I need to be, whatever he's doing, I need to be a part of it.
Dang. I feel honored too, because like you put a lot of trust in me. I appreciate that. And I'm like, I'm here to help you win. Like, I want to see you win. I know you will. If anyone's on the fence and they're like, should I join the Content Academy? Is it for me? What would you say?
It's definitely for you. Like, Nolan is like, and I'm not just saying this because he's right here. I told Abazi this earlier because he was thinking about joining, and I just told him truthfully, like, if you want to succeed, this is where you need to be. Because like, Nolan just, oh my God, class is supposed to be an hour and a half. And I remember one of them was like 3 hours. You literally answered everybody's questions until their little hands were down off the Zoom. Like, nobody does that. Nobody does that. When it's time to end, bye guys.
Yeah.
That's it. But you care. Yeah. I think that everybody feels that you really care if we succeed.
That's awesome. I do care, so I'm glad people feel that. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Nolan.
If this is on YouTube, you can click the screen, watch another video, but who knows where this is going to live. But bye, everybody.